Hey guys, it's Emma and welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I'm gonna go through my recent pickups and show y'all everything I have been loving. Stuff I've thrifted, stuff I bought online, stuff I bought in Paris. I don't have a lot of time because I have to leave for the shop in like 20 minutes. So we're gonna do a little bit of a speed round. Let's start with the accessories. I've been loving cuffs lately and they make an outfit so much more interesting. These are both from the Grand Bazaar. This was 15 from one vendor, this was 5. We actually vend there too on Sundays. I got this G-Shock in Japan. I'm absolutely loving like this aquamarine clear color. I think watches are such a cool way to make an outfit more interesting. I've also been loving these type of belts that don't go in loops, but they go around the waistband of your pants. So for example, this belt, I actually got this from our sourcing trip in Canada, but I've been loving putting these over shorts, and especially when you like match color of the shorts to the belt from the back. Isn't it so cute? I low-key want to make some and drop them in our next capsule. This is the same style belt. It's so Addison Rae coded to me. Look how cute that is, guys. And it has like this little star. Oh my god. Break? Stop. How did I not notice that it broke, guys? I only got to wear this once. That'll be an easy super glue fix. But anyway, this is a trend that I've predicted will come back for a while. I've been seeing more and more people wear them. The iconic Alexander McQueen skull scarf. These had such a moment in like the mid to late 2000s. Mary-Kate and Ashley was wearing them. Nicole Richie. I got this on the Real for like $120 or something, but you could find them on eBay too. You know when you go to someplace and the AC is blasting, you bring this with you because you could just put it over your shoulders like this and not be cold. So I picked up 2 shoes that I've been wearing so much, especially in Paris because I just got back from Fashion Week. These are vintage Donna Karan, New York. Not DKNY, but Donna Karan, New York. I saw these shoes on the Real and they just look so sick to me. They have like this motocross element to them. They go with literally everything. They're not super skin tight, guys. Like I can wear these and my legs will breathe. They don't suffocate my calves. Second pair of shoes I've been loving are these Acne kitten heels. Acne had a sale. They invited me to come down to the store and I bought them. So I got them for like, I think half of retail, which is a really good deal because if y'all know, Acne is expensive. This is my second pair of Acne kitten heels. I love the light wash vintage denim vibe it gives off. These are so good to wear with any sort of capri, mini skirt. And it looks so good with baggy jeans just hanging over them, especially if they're not in the same color range. A black jean they look so good with. A pointed toe just makes me feel so sophisticated. You know what I mean? It makes me feel way more like professional and like serious. This isn't really a recent pickup, but I'm including it because I haven't worn it until now. This little Chloe bag with the iconic lock. Don't get mad at me. I don't remember the name of it, but it's so cute. I wore this in Paris for Fashion Week. The color is perfect for summer. You could fit so much in here. Also, let me know what y'all think of my hair. It's something new for me. I've never done color before, so if y'all then let me know in the comments. I love it. I feel like a literal superpower. If y'all haven't dyed your hair, I highly recommend it. I got this bag sent to me by Mischief. It's by their GSCT line. I don't need to explain why I'm loving this bag. My favorite pair of jorts, hands down, are these random vintage ones. I don't even know the brand. NRG, I've never heard of it before, but I love them. They're so baggy. The pockets are absolutely sick. These I got from my store. Next, I'm not really a maxi skirt girl. I don't know what it is. It has to be a very specific fit for me to like it, but I got this vintage diesel maxi skirt. It's a very breathable, stretchy cotton. It's super soft on the inside and it has all these really nice button details. It's kind of asymmetrical in the way it's made and it fits so nice on the body, guys. It looks so cute with kitten heels. I wore my Acne heels with this. Gorgeous. Yo, micro shorts are always it in the summer. I just got these polka dot ones. These are an eBay score. They were so cheap. I think they were around like 10 bucks. They're a little bit longer than the ones I have on. I also got these from eBay. These are by Billabong. These were also like $13. I cut them a little bit because they were too long, but I love how these fit. To me, these give office siren, but in like micro short form. While I was in Paris, I went to the Owens store and guys, really quick side story. I was checking out. As I was walking outside of the store, Rick showed up with Michelle. I stopped dead in my tracks and I was like, I was just like awestruck. I got this top, so pretty on. It's like that very breathable, stretchy jersey knit that he always uses. Off the shoulder, it slouches so nicely, lays perfectly on like whatever shorts or skirt you have on. When I was in LA not too long ago for work, I picked up this Crumb Hearts tank top from the Malibu store. I'm not one to buy Crumb Hearts retail because like I'm just not. Resale queen, you know? But I went into the Malibu store and they had this really cute halter top that has like an open back, super breathable for summer. It has this cute little heart decal on it. This was like $225. I know it's still a lot of money, but I was like, you know what? Let me just treat myself. It's my first Crumb Hearts piece that I bought retail. I haven't worn it yet, but I'll style it cutely, hopefully, maybe with like those polka dot shorts. I was on the Real and I was checking out Helmut Lang stuff. I found this tank. It was like $30 and it's made of 100% Cupro. When it's steamed and when you're wearing it, it just looks so sleek. And I love how deep the racer back goes. It just shows like so much of your shoulder blades, and like I'm working on my back, guys, at the gym. This silhouette is not in style, but it's coming back. When I was in high school, all the tank tops that were on sale, like at Wet Seal and stuff, were this style. I got this mini skirt at ThriftCon a couple weekends ago. Vintage lip service, guys. Look at this tag. Brooklyn gave me a discount. Shout out Brooklyn. I think I probably ended up paying like $75 for it. It's so cute. It's got like this wax overlay, but I tried her on and y'all, she's too tight. She won't zip on the sides, like, and it shows my butt, and I don't even have a butt, but we will figure out how to make it work. I got my first pair of Miss Me jeans, and they're vintage. I got these from Rogue, obviously. I love the light wash for summer. The flare, but it's kind of more boot cut than flare, which is nice. The pockets are just sublime. Leather wings with rhinestones. Some of them are missing, but it doesn't matter. The hardware on these is so good. It's literally giving chrome. Look at the back patch, so good. Maybe this with the chrome shirt would look cute. I picked up this vintage baby tee from ThriftCon as well. I got it for like 20 bucks. I can't remember the name of the vendor, but she had such cute stuff. It's from Spiral Direct. It's a size large, but y'all, this tee is just so cutie. I haven't treated myself to like a cute vintage baby tee in a while, so I was like, you know what, let me get her. Now that my hair looks like this, I think I'm just getting anything that's neon green because it just looks so good. Sick Boy motorcycles from the same vendor. I am a sick boy. Look at how cool the sleeves are. It's so funny because we are literally working on our capsule collection, and we have a t-shirt so similar to this that we were working on before I even found this. It's just like crazy how the universe works. Look at how cute the sleeves are. This was from my Canada haul. This is vintage Miss 60. Look at how big this tag is, guys. Vintage tags are literally the best. It's a super wide neckline. It kind of reminds me of like the Skims neckline. It's literally like a leather trim. Very interesting. I got this from the Depop Cosmopolitan closet sale in New York right before I left for Paris Fashion Week. It's by Hyder Ackerman. Really amazing designer. And the cool thing about this piece is that it zips up from the bottom like this, so like you can show a little bit of stomach, you could show your midriff, you could show your belly button. I just love the draping on this. When I wear this, I feel like elevated. This is another eBay score. I think they were like 10 bucks. Abercrombie micro shorts in hunter green. Gotta love the moose. This is like the best era of micro shorts because anytime after this, they're not short enough. So these are the best. I have to show you this bag. This was gifted to me by the brand Rumbao. I hope I'm saying that correctly. I have to shout out this bag because I wore it all Paris Fashion Week. This was the only right bag choice that matched any of my fits. And I stuffed so much stuff in here, guys. I could put my Rogue mics in here, all of my cameras, my digicam, my makeup. So shout out Rumbao. Thank you for the bag. 2 pieces left. I was lucky enough to be invited to their show last September. Had to get this jacket. I saw it on the RealReal. It was on sale like 50% off. I think I paid around $250 for it. Look at how cool it is. I haven't really worn it yet because I bought it in the summer. Once it gets to be fall, I'm definitely gonna wear it. Look how cool. Part of the elevated Emma era, you know? Definitely a unique piece. Very last piece that I'm gonna show y'all. When I was in Paris for Fashion Week, I went to this amazing vintage store. It was hidden in an alley, like you have to enter a code. The brand says 7 on the tag. It's an old Japanese brand. I just have to show you how it looks on. This to me was giving a post-apocalyptic, but like 1700s. So like this is how it looks. And then you're meant to grab this and put it through here. And you know what's so cool? It's like the way this is designed, like the buttons are like mismatched, like going on top of the fabric and then underneath the fabric. I've never seen something so thoughtfully designed before. And the pockets are just massive. Look at how cool this is. That is it for my recent pickups. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all maybe got inspired. Which piece was your favorite? Let me know if y'all like these kinds of videos. I'll definitely do more hauls because I'm always getting new stuff. Subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.